Welcome back. So today we're going to be looking at Assertation 101. It's already got the, what's it called, VPN up and running and everything. Let's go make a directory for it. There we go. All right. From there, we'll go ahead and we'll copy that IP address. We'll start off with a rust scan as usual, right? Let's go ahead and rust scan it. Oh, it's good to hear, Evan. It's good to hear. Looks like we got port 22 and port 80 up. Let's go ahead and mmap 80. And we'll curl it also. See anything strange going on with it. So we've got some JavaScript. See what it's built with. Transfer recording chunked. I don't think I've ever seen that before. Let's go ahead and look into it. Join us now, about us. We do something in here. Nope. Okay. So we can set page equals. A schedule here. Gallery. Seems like it just keeps going back to the same thing, I feel like. Contacts. What if we can do something like this? Not get anything back. Let's go through an SQL map, see what we get back. See if we get anything. See if we get anything back with that, like right there. And let's also start up a Ferox Buster on it. We do know that it's running PHP because we got index.php sitting there, so we do know it's running PHP. That's good news for us. Okay, nothing with the SQL map, at least as of right now. We obviously have that. Let's go and try our Nicto. We have a slash pages here. That might give us something. About.php, okay. Is this WordPress? This is color lib. Something's made of color lib. Blog single.php. That might be. Okay, we know it's built with color lib. We know that much so far. Contact.php. Maryland, not Maryland, Maryland, United States, New York City. Huh. That's the weirdest address I've ever seen in my entire life. Okay. So there's something going on with this thing right here, huh? I wonder if Pages found anything else. Let's go and look for the same exact thing, except for this time with Pages. We'll do attack X for PHP. Let's go and look at that Pages like a little more, because that's a little strange what we have so far in there with that. I'm also wondering if we can do something with that. It's actually a great question. That's hack tricks. Why do I keep getting blocked from everything? What the hell's going on? I noticed. That's super fucking annoying. Okay, am I allowed to go to anything? Oh, I am. Okay. Just not stuff I want to. Let's go to hack tricks. Why? Actually, just before clicking on it? Is it because I'm also doing a box at the same time? That's annoying. Okay. It's very annoying. Let's try something like this, like right here. I feel like we're gonna need to put a couple different things in there if we want to try this out. Huh. Can we do this? Yeah. It's probably because it's coming from Japan. We can do that. Alright, cool. So we have that like right now. We just picked that one because L5 via PHP. And I know we're running PHP like right there. So, sweet. Alright, cool. So we have that now. So we know we can run that. Okay. Okay, we can do a lot of things in here. Let's go ahead and lstack.la/home. We have Fox, Snoz, and Snoz. I guess we're going to be looking at our FNX. That's weird. Okay, nothing in there. Then we have Soz, S-O-Z. Okay, nothing in there. Okay. So we should be able to do a wget. Should be like, okay. And I am www data, so we should be able to do like a wget. Let me go ahead and grab my IP address. And we know it's running PHP already. So let's go ahead and do a wget for that, right? We'll go say /shell.php. And what we'll do is we'll do a little copy that guy over, move PHP versus shell to shell.php. Whoops. There we go. We'll go on sublime that shell.php. Let's keep out port 1234. Actually, since we are doing it with proving grounds, we'll go ahead and we'll use port 80. We'll save that. And we'll, oh, I can't listen. Well, I don't have to listen yet. Never mind. Go ahead and do that like right there. And let's call for it. And it does come back. It does get it. Okay, let's see if it actually got it. Let's go ahead and do an lstack.la. It doesn't look like it actually saved it now, does it? Huh. That's okay. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and save it in temp then. See if it actually got it. It got it, okay. Now let's go ahead and look at okay, so there's shell.php actually. Okay, so that's like I saved it first time, I guess. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and now do a PHP temp shell.php, and we will listen on port 80. Okay, permission denied. Okay, that's okay. Was a shell? Was a PHP TechF? No. Okay, that's okay. Let's go ahead and create a bash script or a netcat reverse shell or something. Let's go ahead and cat scripts netcat reverse shell text. And we'll just going to go do this like real quick. And we'll store this into there and have to just run that with my IP address. Let's listen on port 4242. Hopefully we get something back with that. Let's see. Nope, nothing there. Okay. Let's go and create a file then. Shell.sh. And we'll go ahead and we'll do a quick little user bin or bin bash. Just tell that to run with bash. Okay. Let's go ahead and wget. So let's try that. So it did get shell.sh. Okay. Let's go ahead and try to bash that like right there. Still nothing. Huh. Okay. Maybe a Perl reverse shell. Could always try something like that. But right now, we are not getting anything. Okay. Let's go ahead and let's try with the... What's up, bind shell? How you doing? Let's go ahead and put this back to 1334. And let's go ahead and... We already got our port 80 running, right? Let's go ahead and try this one like right here. We'll do a wget. Shell.php. Pipe that into just say PHP. Nothing. This is now want to make a callback to me now, does it? Am I using the right IP address here? 192.168.49.131? Yeah, sure am. That is crazy. And I can't even do a, even if we do an LSTech LA, it's not in here. I wonder if I could just save it to there. I wonder if I could just do a, can I do that? Seems like you got it. What if I got like permission denied or something like that? Nope, can't do that. Okay. What's this to delete later though? Or that all is all about? So it seems like we can only get certain things like right now. It's definitely getting it. It's just not taking it, huh? Huh. That is super weird. Okay, let's go ahead and create. Let's go ahead and create a bash reverse shell or something like that. Right? Let's go ahead and do this. For PHP bash reverse shell, right? We don't look at run PHP stuff, right? Let's go ahead and throw that up there and see if that works. Okay, nothing there. That's okay. Let's go ahead and try a little little magic here. Let's go ahead and do who am I again, just make sure I'm still... Okay, so I messed something up. Who am I? Okay, we're good on that. All right, cool. Okay, nothing. Right? Yep, nothing there. Okay. Let's go ahead and send that into a file. Let's go ahead and nano shell.php. That does not look right to me. I feel like we're going to need like right there, right? Okay, let's go ahead. Just try to move those two, but that did not work. Move tech rf temp / shell.php. I don't think I could do that. Temp. Okay, let's go ahead and make a directory in temp then. Let's see if that works. Nope, can't make a directory either. Can we change mode? Change mode +X temp shell.php. We do that. Nope, can't do that either. Can we cat it? Can we do anything with that file? Nope. So we just can't do shit with this file like right here. Yeah, I've started to notice. But so we just can't do shit with that thing. So what are we supposed to do here? Nope. Okay. I mean, we could try to do curl, but it is W getting it. I mean, it's W getting it. It's using that just fine. It's getting the file just fine. It's not having a problem with that. The problem is I can't do anything with it afterwards. So if I do a PHP temp shell.php, permission denied. I'm pretty sure we can do a PHP tag F, but that doesn't work either. If I also try to do the bash, that doesn't work either. Although the bash wouldn't even save. Doesn't seem like it's saved at least. I downloaded it, but it doesn't seem like it's saved. Let's see, it's getting the file just fine. It won't download, it won't keep the bash file though, but it is getting it just fine. Nothing. Yep, nothing. That'll kill the first. I was thinking that too. I was thinking about that. Like, I think I need to put, I should have, it should say something like, system here. I know what to do. We're going to get rid of this. It should be system, that thing, and then maybe like the netcat reverse shell or something like that, right? I was thinking that same exact thing. Yeah, it should be something like this. Because that die is going to kill it. I was kind of thinking the same exact thing. Okay. And that should be it, right? Or we're going to actually need a little bloop at the very end there, huh? And then that should be, I think, about it, except for we need to tell system to run this whole thing at once, huh? So it has to be like that. There. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and move shell.php. Well, we can still call shell.php. I wonder if we can actually run it now. Okay, at least got it this time. But it's not doing anything with it. Let's go ahead and change the file name. Well, we don't need the URL encoded because it's already downloaded it. It's already doing everything. It's doing everything that we want to do. Like, we could put in as many commands as we want. See what I'm saying? So, and that didn't work. How come it works first time, it doesn't work second time? Whoops. For some reason, it's not working the freaking second time. It worked the first time. We got just fine the first time. I don't think I need tack O this time to curl this guy. I don't think I want tack O in there. Just want like that. Let's try this like right here. Oh, I thought I got it. I saw this thing freaking move. Okay. So we have system. Oh, you know, I still need to be a PHP file, don't I? I still needs to be. We still need to end it, huh? It still needs to be a PHP file, doesn't it? Something like that, like right there. I think it still needs to be like that. Okay. Let's try this again. There we go. There we go. Let's go. Okay. Cool. Let's see what this to delete later is anyways. We've just catted that the entire time. We still don't know whose it is though. We also have to break it too. So let's go and echo. That would have been boring, right? Assertation John. John hash.text. We still need that back there. There we go. Okay, we'll try that like right there, see if that works at all. Okay, so we do have this is probably because if we actually we do have SOZ in there, so I'm gonna go with that's his IDR key. Now let's go ahead and SSH IDR say Saz at what is their IP address? Whatever, it's better to get the reverse shell anyways. Alright, cool. I wonder if we could just got that from the very beginning, because I did see that. I was like, huh, maybe we should mess with this, but because we actually ls tech LA this thing. We see this to delete later. Might be actually be able to look at it. Let's see if we can actually look at it. We do see IDRSA in here. Or if we can cat that or not. %100% could have. Ooh, I gotta go get a drink, false doctor. Give me 1 second. I'll go get a drink. Oh, getting up. Alright, we got ourselves a drink. We probably could have figured it out with, you know, just his password there. I'm also wondering maybe that's his password too. We try sudo tech L, this guy, maybe? Oh, no password. As FNX, we can run Emacs. Let's go ahead and go to GTF opens. Let's see what the hell Emacs is all about. Emacs, and we have SUID capabilities, and we can do something like this, right? So let's go ahead and run that like right there. We're gonna do Emacs. We're actually do sudo tech U FNX. All right. I don't know what the hell I just did. I have no idea what the fuck this is. Okay, what do I do with this? Can I quit? Fuck, you use this thing. What is this? Man, this is annoying as all hell. How the hell are we going to use this like right here? Yes, escape. Yes, I would love to escape. But it's impossible. It is my very first time in Emacs. I don't know what the hell it's even used for. But what I do know is that it's annoying as shit. Just like half the other Linux tools, actually. Okay. Thank you. I don't care about the end and beginning. It's an editor, but you can't do like a Vim style that queue. Like just quit. Like this is annoying as shit actually. I still don't understand why all Linux like what is it? Like editors you need to read a fucking book on just to get out of. I just want to get out of it. Like if we need to get a book on exiting, it's not a good freaking. It's not a very good thing. You know what I'm saying? Here, I got an idea. There we go. I did Control C about 800 times. Did Control X2 about 800 times. So here's a better idea. That's even if that's even the way up, like right there. Because this thing was 100% saying. I also did SUID by accident, huh? Well, let's say that thing. And supposedly we can run it as FNX. sudo tech u fnx, and I just want to run this. I probably need to do something like that, right? Okay. Yeah, like there's no point in if you need to read a book on how to exit something, it shouldn't be installed. Like that's not like that's the one thing I don't like about Vim. People are like, oh, if you don't know how to use Vim, no, I shouldn't have to read a book on a text editor. You know, like that's something you shouldn't. That's like having to read a fucking book on Word to get to start. Like that makes no sense. So, but I'm done. I'm off my high horse. All right. Let's see if there's anything else we can do in here. Let's see if that's just Yep, that is definitely his RSA key. Size, that's okay. So nothing crazy in there, right? Oh, I say cat. Grep and bash. There we go. So this looks like we got size and that. It's a really weird group he's got there. Okay, so FNX does actually have, let's say FNX isn't even in here, but he does have a home directory. So we definitely have, so we can definitely run this as this other person. And we could run it as FNX, right? Huh. It does not like unknown user FNX. Maybe get rid of. Why does it ask us for the password if it says that we could run it with no password? It still asks for a password, even though it says that we could run as the user FNX. Yeah, I tried that. Why do we need to run it? Well, we have to run it as that user. If you just run sudo that's not going to work because it's saying that we're running it as that user, like right there. So if we just run this like right here, that ain't going to work. He just shouldn't, yeah. It says that we can run it as that user. Tag user. Run command or edit file specified user name or ID, which FNX is the username that we're supposedly run it as. Maybe it's just a fucking bullshit ass thing. Let's go into temp. Whoops. Okay. Let's try this. It's also an admin group too. Let's try that too. Also wondering about SUID bits too. If there's any SUIDs they can do. Okay, so there's something. Okay. Area 2C. And we also have, okay, so we have area 2C again. Are these SUID bits like right here? Yep, SUID. Let's go and check out the SUID bits. Area 2C. I wonder if that's an actual thing. Yep, sure is. Sure, limited SUID. Sure, why not? Let's try it. Should try that exact thing right there. Is that user bin? Let's see what happens here. Okay. Okay. So it does actually try to download something, things like that, right? So what does area 2C actually do? Okay, so it's trying to say on download error, command ID. Okay, so run this command on download error. We're looking at proving grounds assertation. Okay, let's go ahead and see if we can do anything else with. So this is doing stuff on download error. You can also download remote files. Okay. Okay. So let's go ahead. Let's check out area 2C like real quick and see if we can do something with this. Okay, what can we do with this? What do we got here? Uh, Area 2C. There's something. We already got this like right here, right? We have an SUID with it, okay? Saying on download error to do something, right? But it is sending out that ID. We're not getting anything crazy with it, right? I wonder if we do like a command equals, if we put like a reverse shell or something like that, right? Or just like a ping. So let's go ahead and do a right? And then we'll go ahead and we'll run it again. Okay, so it keeps giving me an ID here, even though we changed the command. There we go. Let's go ahead and change mode again just in case. Okay, so it is pinging us, right? So can we just do like a reverse shell up here? And say this is the command now? Let's make sure that works first. Let's go ahead and make sure this works like right here. Yep, 100% works, okay. Now let's go ahead and say command. There we go. Command equals this, like right here. Right. Then we'll say the command TF thing again, right? Okay, we'll change that back to executable. Then we'll go ahead and run this again. Let's try running again. Huh. Yeah, nothing. Okay. That. Now what I should actually be able to do is actually just take the rest of this, so I don't mess it up. Okay, so we got reverse shell. Oh, I thought we had reverse shell. We had. Huh. My mind? What do you mean? Am I doing this way more hardcore than it has to be? Okay, let's try command equals. Let's try that. Then we'll just grab this over here. Damn. Okay. Operation not permitted. Okay. No, you should not provide actual IP instead of X because it literally, this is actually happening whenever it fails. It's going to run this. That's why it says on download error equals TF. It's going to error out a download link right there. So you do not provide actual IP address because I want it to fail so that it runs TF so it actually runs whatever this command is up here because that command is getting put into TF for a temporary file. So I don't want it to actually download anything. I want it to actually do that. All right, now let's see if we can we do anything with files? Let's go ahead and let's go and see what we can do with this thing. Input file. Um, Hold up. Public key. If I put my public key into his private key, then I should be able to get /root.ssh, okay? And then we can do the out file as a authorized key, right? Authorized keys, right? Is that what's called? Authorized keys? Like that. And then we want to download that for myself. And we want to download my public key, right? And make that into the authorized keys. And then tell us something about override it here. Okay, let's try that. Should probably actually turn on a okay. Damn. Oh, wait, no. Damn. Okay. Authorized keys down 1. That's not good. We need to overwrite. Look for write. Whoops. Oh, allow overwrite. Okay. Equals true. Obviously for us, right? Okay. That would save in authorized keys. There we go. Let's go! There we go. Cool. Okay, I'm saving that one. Okay, cool. We did it. Prevesc. Okay. So now we have um, There we go. And that's how you do it, like right there. Cool. Let's go and throw our proof.txt in there and be finished with this one. Huh, okay. How's local.txt? Okay, there we go. Thank you. There we are. Alright, cool. We did it. Definitely a medium box. That was definitely a medium. That was a rough one, like right there, I feel like. Okay. I think I've already done stapler, things like that. Let's go and see who else is on InfoSec. That was a lot to do for me tonight. Or we can always write up our Python script like what we usually do. Write a Python script on it and go from there.